Welcome back to another video. I often ask myself the question, should I be posting more on social media like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok? I mean, those are very big platforms where you can also gather a huge following, but straight away those questions pop up. What should I post? Where do I get ideas for new posts, inspiration? Do I post enough? And then some technical problems like I didn't have a good space to record today, it's a noisy environment, I'm not in the mood, whatever. So always something gets in the way. So in last week's video I set out to solve all of those problems. And this week we're gonna start our TikTok channel. So a quick recap about that. What do we need? So first, we want a great community of people interested in tech, coding and entrepreneurship. Second, we need a lot of followers. And what do we need to accomplish that? First, we need to post regularly. And second, but more importantly, we need engaging content. So what is our solution? We're gonna build a fully automated pipeline to generate TikTok content. So all we need to do is to start a script, answer some questions, and we have our TikTok video. I know currently it's a big deal to generate your content using AI, using avatar generators and so on. You see quite a lot of them on TikTok at the moment, or maybe that's just my bubble, but I see 3 issues with content like this and creating content like this. So first, when you watch the tutorials that those guys post, you usually see that it's like the single things are AI generated and automated, but putting it together is not really. So for most tools, you kind of generate an avatar with one tool, then you create a voice with another, and you generate the content using ChatGPT, and in the end you still need to put it all together. So I sometimes wonder, with all this copying around and using multiple tools and logins, isn't it just easier to record a natural, authentic video of yourself in this time? Second, I think these tools have quite steep pricing. So cloning your voice using a tool, $9 a month there. Building a custom avatar, $20 a month there. So it really adds up, and in the end, if you calculate how many views you need on TikTok, you're in the million view spectrum to actually make a bit of money. And the third issue, I think it's already quite saturated. So as soon as you see one of those videos, you immediately recognize that it's AI. I mean, I have to say those avatars are getting good, if not great, but you still see from the way that they're put together, they're all kind of using the same subtitles and dynamic and stock images. I think it's already a bit saturated, and you pay a lot of money to make videos like everybody else. So I'm not sure if that's the solution. So how does our solution look like? I can tell you one thing, it's completely for free. And for now, I kind of ditched the idea of a dashboard because I trust in the process that my video is gonna come out nice in the end. And I built it all in the terminal. I'm just guided through steps in the terminal, and there I can create the video. So we create the full video from the terminal without using any editing software, online tools, downloads, screenshotting stuff. So first, whenever I log in to the terminal, I get asked an engaging question. Those questions I get from a huge database that contains questions that have been asked in /AskReddit. And those millions of questions have been filtered for questions that contain coding, internet, tech, entrepreneurship, whatever. Generated like 100 keywords using ChatGPT to filter this list. And now we ended up with about 500,000 questions that we can pick one from every day. Second, this is the critical part and for sure the most effort. I have to answer this question in an engaging way. So what I'm trying to do is try to think of a story to answer this question. And then after we put in the story, it's all on autopilot. Third, we generate the text-to-speech using Google's text-to-speech engine, upload the story over the API, and we get back an MP3. So I think this should always stay in the free tier. Fourth, we generate subtitles using Whisper that runs on my local machine. Thanks at this point to Johnny from Remotion for offering me his template. This made it really easy to set up. Fifth, put it all together in Remotion, where we add engaging background, putting the subtitles right on time with the speech on top of it. Maybe as time goes by, we go a bit more fancy with the animations and the video, but for now, it's the DVD logo animation and white text in front of it. So sixth, we use ChatGPT's API to generate nice tags for the video that match the story and a quick description for TikTok. And this, I admit it, this might cost a few cents. So you pay something for the amount of words that you input and you pay something for the amount of words that ChatGPT gives you back. But of course, as it's just a quick description, a caption for TikTok, it's gonna be a few words only, and the tags as well. Then the last step, which I'm still working on, is uploading it to TikTok automated. So for this I'm trying to get a developer account at TikTok, but it's a bit sketchy to register the app with them. I mean, I don't have an official app, it's just running on my laptop locally. If this doesn't work, we're still waiting for feedback. We're gonna do it using Puppeteer. So we'll automatically open a browser, log in, input our credentials, upload the video, insert the tags. So it will just be a step-by-step thing. So the first video we're gonna probably upload today or tomorrow, and see you on TikTok.
Let me tell you a story. When I went to school about 10 years ago, it was my sports teacher that taught informatics. He would still wear his whistle around the neck while trying to launch Word in front of a gathered class. It's just horrific how Switzerland does not care about proper early education in cybersecurity and IT. I hope that we learn much earlier how to use the internet and what the dangers and chances are.